Chill.
Man, chill. Okay. So, Alexis, explain to the pretty people out there on the internet what we're doing here on this Saturday morning in the rain.
Okay, well, we're supposed to be doing a cinnamon challenge. Me, myself, and Michelle. She thinks she's slick. She gave me the spoon first, so I had to do the challenge first. The cinnamon challenge is pretty much you put. Anyway, you put some cinnamon on a spoon and you put it in your mouth, and the challenge is to try and swallow it. But it's something about the cinnamon that makes you spit it out. So I mean,
Here we go.
I'm scared, by the way.
Load it up nice and good with some seasoning. Break down, hush.
I think that should be good. It's just not spread out.
Okay. All right, here we go. The moment of all truth. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What? Is it nasty? Is it gross? And she, oh my gosh.
It didn't make me spit it out though. Like,
What did it taste like? Do you want to describe it to us?
it was kind of spicy.
Oh.
It wasn't as bad as they made it seem though.
Maybe you didn't have enough cinnamon. Oh, so you're going to leave it up to me to use a lot of cinnamon?
No.
Oh.
I think maybe I did some. Would you like to try it again?
Sure thing. Round 2 of the cinnamon challenge. Come on out, Bray. You want some attention? Come on. Bray being a little punk. Oh, put it like on your tongue, like dump it on your tongue, and see if that helps. Bray over their tongue. You want to count down?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look like you smoking cinnamon. Go ahead, put flour. Go. You know, it smell like cinnamon out here, too. It smell like Big Red. Are you all right, Lex? I think it was a little too much for her.
Your turn. Wait a minute. Alright, here we go.
She gonna see. She thought it was so funny. She gonna hold for a minute, Michelle. Put this spoon down. Say what? You sure? Because I did 2 rounds. Thinking what?
Oh my God. It tastes like...
Did it lock up your mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like I was eating something that wasn't real. And then all of a sudden, it tastes like dirt.
What? Did it get in your throat? I don't know why. I just feel like you got it worse than me.
I think I did. Because see, when I first, I was like, it tastes like cinnamon. So then I started going like this. And then... I think I'm done.
Alrighty then. And that has been the cinnamon challenge. Anything else you want to say to the viewers?
Don't try this at home, folks. Don't do it. It's not worth it. It's really not.
Are you kidding me? Try it at home. Try it at home. And make sure you tag my Twitter name. I constantly win when you try it.